Hello guys, welcome to NS Lectures YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to explain what is cryptanalysis and what are the types of attacks in cryptanalysis. Before starting this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there. Let's start our video. First one, what is cryptanalysis? See, cryptanalysis is nothing but it is a process of decoding message from non-readable format to readable format. See, for example, there is message which is in non-readable format. By using cryptanalysis, we can convert non-readable message into readable message. See, after converting this, our text look like this. The process of decoding message from non-readable format to readable format is known as cryptanalysis. See, this is non-readable format. So I converted this message into readable format. So this readable format is, in this readable format is how are you. The process of converting non-readable format to readable format is known as cryptanalysis. Now we see what are the types of attacks in cryptanalysis. There are 4 types of attacks. First one is ciphertext only attack, and second one is known plain text attack, third one is chosen plain text attack, and fourth one is adaptive chosen plain text attack. See, I will explain one by one in detail. First one is ciphertext only attack. See, this is the structure of ciphertext only attack. See, ciphertext is equal to encryption with key of plain text. See, this C1 is ciphertext. EK is nothing but encryption with key of plain text. See, ciphertext is called encryption with key of plain text. Similarly, C2 is called encryption with key of P2, and similarly so on. CN is called encryption with key of PN. This is structure of ciphertext only attack. And next one is known plain text attack. See, this is the structure of known plain text attack. Plain text and ciphertext is equal to encryption of plain text. P1 is nothing but plain text and C1 is ciphertext, that equal to EK mean encryption with key of plain text. This is structure of known plain text attack. See, third one is chosen plain text attack. Friends, I'm not going to explain this in detail. I'm just explaining this structure so that you can write your own. See, plain text plus ciphertext is called encryption of plain text. See, this structure is same as known plain text attack. See, in this task is first we need to find key. In this given ciphertext, find plain text of next message. See, in this we have given ciphertext, we need to find plain text of next message. This is structure of chosen plain text attack. Next one is adaptive chosen plain text attack. See, ciphertext plus ciphertext comma plain text is equal to DK, that means decryption with key of ciphertext. Similarly, C2 comma P2 is called DK of C2, so on. CN comma PN is called decryption with key of CN. This is known as, this is chosen ciphertext attack, whereas this fourth one is adaptive chosen plain text. See, adaptive chosen plain text attack. It is same as plain text chosen plain text attack. It is same as this chosen plain text attack, but it has freedom of modification. See, same structure for adaptive chosen plain text attack. See, there are 5 types of attacks. First one is ciphertext only attack, second one is known plain text attack, and third one is chosen plain text attack, and fourth one is adaptive chosen plain text attack, and fifth one is chosen ciphertext attack. These are the 5 types of attacks in cryptanalysis. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and friends, I have uploaded complete information security tutorials. I will provide link in description. You can watch from there.